Hi everyone, this is Wayne from Advantech. Now we are at Taiwan HORECA exposition and also the booth of Cashier Tech, our longtime valuable partner in Taiwan. And the solution right next to me is their new product. It's a self-checkout point-of-sale solution specifically designed for the retail stores. And it mainly consists of two parts. Advantech's all-in-one POS terminal USC-513 and also their cash module. About our USC-513, there are three things you need to know about it. First, it's an all-in-one POS terminal with compact design. Besides the dual display support, it also has built-in thermal printer and 2D scanner. What's more, it's also optional to go with MSR and RFID if you need it. Second, it has a very small footprint, but with much stronger base than it looks. The size of our USC-513 is smaller than an A4 paper, but with the aluminum support frame inside, it has much stronger, stable, and durable function. And last but not least, if you need the wireless network support, Wi-Fi and 4G LTE are both available. On top of that, you only need to insert your SIM card just from the outside, which is very simple and no-brainer. So for more information, please feel free to reach out. This is Wayne, and I will see you next time.